So here's Shortcuts app, and there is official ChatGPT app, and now you can add official ChatGPT app into the Shortcuts. So just make sure to update ChatGPT app to the latest version, and now you can just integrate it in the shortcut. So for example, now if you just create a new shortcut and then open app, and then for example you can just search for ChatGPT, and then there you have it. So you can just create this kind of shortcut, and then for example if I just tap on it, it will just open up the app. So just like the simple shortcuts. Of course, then you can just do all of these different integrations side of this app. And then you can just search for other actions like, I don't know, like, of course it will become just much more advanced, but yeah, now you can use it in the Shortcuts app. I was just reading about this in the news. For instance, you could turn your favorite prompts into shortcuts and then have those perform an additional step after the query is completed, like saving the response to a different app. So for example, instead of going to ChatGPT app and type in the prompt, you can already have that prompt as a shortcut, and have the shortcut as an icon. Just hey, what are the top movies in cinema today? You just tap on that icon, you see that, and then you can save the list of those movies to your to your notes or something like that. So just like an example. Of course, it will become much more advanced with all these new plugins. Can be pretty cool. You can have like a shortcut. For example, can you book a table at my favorite restaurant, or and then you just tap the icon, it goes through ChatGPT, finds your favorite restaurants, and then it uses some plugin in ChatGPT, and then it just books a table through the book a table or some other thing. So yeah, that's kind of a new development. Just update the app to the latest version. Hope it is helpful.